What is the first one? Air blown?
Read. R-E-E-D. Done. Actually, in instruments we have four types. That is chordophone, aerophone, membranophone, and idiophone. Actually, this chordophone we normally call as tatavadya, aerophone as shushiravaadya, membranophone as amanadya, idiophone as ghanavadya. Okay, that tatavadya means string instruments. Can you tell me string instruments?
Guitar.
Then
Violin.
violin.
7.
Okay. Okay, we call as Tatavadya string instrument. Shushira means air blown. Shushira means air. So it's air blown. Can you tell anything?
Trumpet.
Yeah.
Saxophone.
Yeah. Then Avanadya Vadya means leather surface. Leather surface, can you tell anything?
Tabla.
Tabla.
Mridangam.
Beatbox.
Yeah. Okay. Chende. You have leather there. Then Ghanavadya, that you have double, single unit and split unit. Okay, this means metallic. Now I tell you the examples. Okay, in that also we have types. In string instrument we have finger, bow and hammer. In string, only string instrument can't be played with only strikes, beats or bow, finger, hammer like that. It's divided as three. That is finger, bow and hammer. Can you tell example for finger?
Guitar.
Okay. Violin, veena, etc. This has fingers. Sitar also can be. For sorry. This will not come finger. Violin. This veena, sitar. Can you tell for bow?
Violin.
Then
Tanpura.
no, we play Tanpura through bow. Sarangi, did you hear? Sarangi. We say Hindustani. Sarangi. For hammer.
What is hammer?
Like
Santur, have you seen?
Santur.
Yeah, Santur. Santur.
Drums.
So let's stick. Did you hear Gettu Vadya? Gettu Vadya. Actually, nowadays they won't use this. You can see the Gettu Vadya.
Yeah.
Oh, nowadays they won't use that much. It's all old instruments. Okay. And for this you can use viol also. Do you heard viola?
Not seen.
You can use it also. Okay. Then for air blow. Reed means, do you know what is that reed?
Read.
Check up flute.
Reed means, have you seen another one? That they will be having one pipe fan for ear mouth digital fan. That we call as reed. Okay. For example, Nadaswaram. Nadaswara. And saxophone. You get what is that reed? What I said. Near mouth they'll keep something like this. They'll keep something.
White sign.
Yeah. That's we call as reed.
And then even jumper will be
Reed means this one. Where you have it. They'll be keep on changing. Have you seen in magazine or book? This we call as reed.
You have that small thing.
Yeah, that we call as reed. Shahanai, saxophone,
Yeah.
clarinet.
Because that air has to go through that
Yeah.
small thing.
That we call as reed. Okay. Then for gust of air, can you tell me? It's direct
Gust of air.
Yeah.
Like trumpet. You say how would it be?
No.
This thing.
Flute.
Flute will be there.
Yeah.
Then the mouth organ. Does that come under this?
Flute and bansuri. Have you heard?
Yes.
Bansuri is also called.
How does it look now?
It's like same
Big
flute.
one.
It will be
And
big.
big
That's it. Flute will be small. Bansuri will be big. That's it. Okay. Then leather. Leather circle. Finger. Can you tell anything? Finger. Using fingers, they'll play.
Tabla.
Tabla. Then another one. Mridangam.
Mridangam. Dhol also you can.
No.
No?
It
Oh,
becomes
dhol is
stick.
with the stick.
Yeah. Okay. Then for stick,
Tick a bit up.
drum. also.
Drums.
Yeah. Drums. Chain neck, have you seen? Yeah, it also becomes. Then last. Metallic, little color is single unit and split. I think this one. Have you seen ghatam? Ghatam, it will be like pot.